Don't panic, it's just me, Arif Surma from Cliff's Chiropractic. How are you doing? We really hope that you are feeling fine and that you have been coping well with this current situation. This is just a brief message from me personally to you to say if you've been to the clinic already, thank you very much. We are really grateful for the fact that you had the courage to come back to the clinic and step out into the world again. We have been working now since the 18th of May. We have proved that our risk assessments and our procedures are working extremely well. There are still many patients, I believe, who are understandably fearful of returning back into society in general and to the clinic as well. Let me reassure those of you to whom this applies that we have everything in place to make this a safe environment for you, from screens in the front office to the masks that we wear, to the gowns we have to wear, to the deep cleaning that we do, and to the sanitizers all over the place. Our primary concern here is to support our patients as they need us. And broadly speaking, there are probably four reasons patients come and see us. One, to get out of pain. Two, to stay out of pain. Three, to address something which they might have seen on the x-ray, like degenerative changes, which do not want to escalate. And fourth, to live life vitally and with abundance. Whatever your reason, we are here to support you. It gives us absolute joy to see all of you improving. It also makes us deeply sad when we have seen patients returning after, through no fault of their own, having to be absent for weeks or months at a time, return to the clinic on crutches and sticks or in a really quite severe way. But I'm really pleased to inform you that even for those patients, once under a couple of weeks or 3 weeks of care, they are once again doing really well. So no matter how you find yourself at the moment, if you're in pain, we will do our best to get you out of pain, and we will. If you want to stay out of pain and get back on care, we're here. We'll assess you, we'll see where you're at, and return you back to your normal state as soon as possible. And if you're feeling great, and just want to get back to where you were with lifestyle, which includes chiropractic care and remaining flexible, then we're here for you there too. Really, I want to extend once again reassurance to those of you that need it that we will provide you with a safe environment and we will continue to give you our expert advice. From myself and all the team, we send you our love. We are open Monday to Friday, open 5 days now, with the Thursday being for massage starting from the 30th of July and for x-rays currently still. Our hours are a little bit different to normal and we will increase our hours as patient demand increases. So from us to you, with love, namaste, be healthy, and let us help you and serve you as we always have done. Please call the clinic if you require any questions to be answered or asked, and if you want to make an appointment, the girls at the front desk are there to take your call. So with lots of love from us and the team. Have a wonderful day.